I'm going to try and help you to see the difference between past continuous tense and past simple tense. Both of these tenses happened in the past. Both of these actions are finished, no longer active. What is the difference? With the past tense, past simple tense, we are talking about short action. Like, for example, I entered the room. I went to bed. On the other hand, if we talk about past continuous tense, it is also something that happened in the past. It's finished, but it lasted a bit longer. For example, I was drinking my coffee for 2 hours. I was reading a book yesterday. I was preparing my dinner last night, so it took you some time to do it. Also, what's important that these two tenses very often go together. For example, when I entered the room, she was preparing the meal. So at this very moment that I entered the room, which was just for a second, so it's a short activity, she was preparing this dinner. So she was preparing, so it took her some time. Also, when we want to say that we had two activities and both of them took a little bit longer time and they happen at the same time, we would rather use while. For example, while I was watching TV, she was baking a cake. So, while I was watching TV, she was baking cake. For example, I'm just saying for example. So in this case, we have two activities that happened at the same time, and it wasn't short, it was a little bit longer. Also, we can have two activities, like for example, past continuous tense, happening for a little bit longer time in the past. Like for example, I was getting ready for a party when the phone rang. So the phone interrupted me. I was doing something and I got interrupted by the phone. So phone, short activity, and on the other hand, preparing for a party. You know what? For a lady, it's always a long activity, so you need to use past continuous tense. Guys, hope